guys, so for today we have a beautiful simple song, In the River, all the way in by Deeper Worship. Okay, so first of all, the song simply revolves around, we're in the key of F, so we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and our 1. Okay, so first of all, the song simply revolves around the 4, the 2, the 6, and the 3, and that's it. Trust me, that's it. So we'll start off with the intro. So okay, so just like I said, so on the 4 here, we have the F, okay, so we have the B flat and the F, okay, and on the right I have the A, the C, the D, and the F to the 2. So on the 2 I have the G, the the D, and the F, and on the right I have the B flat major 7, so I have the A, the B flat, the D, and the F to R6. So that's simply a D minor, so I have the D and the F, okay, and I have the A, the C, the D, and the F to R3. Okay, so on the 3 I have the A, the E, the F, and the C. Okay, and we simply repeat. Okay, every other thing we will do is simply a repetition or an inversion of everything we are doing already. So we have our verse. There is a river where goodness flows, there is a fountain. Drowned sorrows, there is an ocean. It's deeper than fear. The tide is rising. Exactly what we're doing. So I'm gonna invert. Okay. So I have the F, the B flat, the F, the G, and the A on the left. And on the right I have the C, the D, the F, and the A. To the 2. So on the 2, our old friend to the 6. Okay. So on the 3 now I've simply inverted. So I have the A, the